How you doing, guys? Welcome back to the channel, fam. Today I'm super excited because I finally get to open El Dorado. Look at that, so beautiful. Finally it's wrapped in the Konami, wrapped and everything. I seen a lot of people get the Exodia parts here. I lucked out by opening this one that goes from the this one that goes from the past and getting the right arm of Exodia, guys. So I am beyond happy. I was not expecting to get Exodia anytime soon. I was not expecting to get Exodia at all. You know, I was literally just gonna buy, off like a bid or something, or have like or trade some cards for it. You know, I'm a big fan of Exodia, big fan of the first generation Yu-Gi-Oh. So getting this one was definitely like a huge, massive throwback. You know what I mean? So now we're in search for Exodia, guys, and let's see if we can get right into the video. Let's put this one over here. I just dropped the card. Oh my god. Look at this. Can we get lucky and get more here? I don't know. We'll find out. I believe this is a 4-pack. Is it the same? Is it? Is it not? But hopefully everything's there. We got a bonus one here. I found this one, so we're definitely gonna be opening this one too. Let's go ahead and open this one first. See how we do. See how we do. Obviously, I'm guessing we're gonna be getting this one as the first card. I'm pretty sure to turn the camera a little bit more higher. There we go. Yes, it is. Oh, different though. Let me get my other camera on, guys. But if you guys want me to do some live videos, I am so down to do some live videos. But opening a new pack. Let's see how we do this over here so we don't make too much stretch. Alright, let's dive into it, guys. I'm gonna be opening this one next too. Let's see. Here we go, here we go. I'm so getting good at this sometimes. Oh, no. Never mind. Yeah. Oh, so beautiful. Okay, right to it. Got the Rainbow Dragon. Okay, same as box over here. Cool. Nice and shiny as well. We got the Ultimate Crystal Rainbow Dragon. We got the Crystal Beast Dragon, Rainbow Bridge of Heart, Crystal Bound, Rainbow Overdrive. So they're all nice and shiny, which I like that. You know, it's really cool. So it's cool that all of them like that. Oh, Jesse Ruby Unleashed the Legend. Oh, this one's different. Crystal Beast. A lot of crystal. Oh, I like this one. I like the White Tigers. So these are not shiny anymore. You have to get our shiny ones all in one page, you know, different. Ooh, the Rainbow Dark Dragon. Wow, that's crazy. Look at this. I don't know if you guys seen this before, but we got the Rainbow Dragon and we got the Dark Dragon. Look at that. This should have been shiny. It's okay. Crystal Master, Crystal Keeper. We got the Hammer of those. Whoa. How does that even happen? Whoa. Is this the same as the other one too, or? I got it right here too. Oh wow! So on the structure deck, I actually got. No, this is one from the previous deck, from the GX one. It's a shiny one, obviously, but wow, that is cool. I was not expecting that. Oh, lucky find. They're not shiny, but still worth it. One of the lords here. We got Dimension, we got Contact C, Ashbone, we got Ghost Battle Hunter. This is cool. This is really cool. I was not expecting that, honestly. We got Crystal Agency, Rainbow Bridge, Crystal Blessing, Crystal Ambience, Crystal Promise, Crystal Tree, Crystal Release, Rare Value, Rainbow Reflection. Ooh. So they're pretty much the ones that support the main card here. Crystal Miracle, Crystal. Oh, there you go. See the White Tiger there again. Oh, and again. Oh, that's really cool. I've got to read through them. I'm sure they support each other. Crystal Paste Token, and that's the last card right here. Okay. I believe I got one of the lords. Cool. Not shiny, but still cool. For sure, I keep her. It's right here. Alrighty, guys. Can we get Exodia here? I know we went from like GX to like, which is funny. I didn't know the Structure Dragon was actually from GX. It doesn't say anything like GX. So I guess it is. I guess I should know this if I would have watched the GX. But I didn't, so only some episodes. Okay. Gods of Yu-Gi-Oh! Hit me up with Exodia.
Suffocating, I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.
Alright, time has come, guys. The time has come. Man, I like balling this for like ever. Oh my god, I do have my scissors here. Let's open it nice and gentle. Get my camera up here. Hold on, guys. There we go. Much better. Better angle. If we get Exodia, guys, that's it. I'm calling it quits on Yu-Gi-Oh! I'll be doing Pokemon X. I'm a big fan of Pokemon as well. So just so that you guys know. Here we go. Ooh, look at this one. Wait a minute, this one's different. Did I get ripped off on the other one? This one is so, look at that. This one's, I don't know if this one, oh, actually, no, I don't think the other one's like that, but this one for sure is different. Look at that. I could have just opened it like this. Wow. So this one actually opens different compared to the other one. Look at this one. Voila. Oh, I'm keeping this box for sure. Right or left, guys? Which one do we go for? Right or left? Alright, guys, let's dive into it and see how we do this. Should we start with the right one? I think we should. And let's just get right to it. I don't know if you can get cold cards with this one, but the Weather Thunder. Are they shiny though? No, they're not shiny. Ooh, the Fossil Dyna. Okay, this is like a gold card, kinda, yeah. Nice. Trap Trick, Fire Formation, gold card too as well. Striker Dragon. Look at this one. Also with the Link -1 thing. I know. I have no idea what the heck that means. Hot Dread Dragon. This was nice and strong, but not shiny either. Yes! Oh! I knew it could be possible. Oh, what does that mean? It's a little shiny. What does that mean? Is the only one I'm gonna find. Left leg of the forbidden one. Is this the... how come it didn't come in gold? Oh, man. Yes! Oh, that's just cool. That's just cool. Let's go with the left one now. See what's up. Wow. What are the odds? What are the odds? What are the odds? Let's see a little trick. Let's start from the back and see what we do. Something different at least. The Reactor Ultimate Falcon. Okay. Didn't we just get this one right now? I could have sworn we did. Another copy? Can't be copies from the same box, right? Come on. Ooh, this one's solid. Way different from the other ones. Oh no, I guess I was wrong. Never mind. Let's put this over here. Okay. So, let's start from the back. Raptor Ultimate Falcon. Ooh, this one's a gold one. I can feel it. Ooh. Side, Formigator, Gamma. Okay. Into the fire camera. Ah, guys, this is not even good ones. Yo. Oh, dude, I was really upset because they were not good ones. Is there any more? Oh, the head of Exodia. Look at how shiny that is. Yes. Are there all? How many decks are here? Is it all of them? Branco, the Lottie Gold one. There's no way it's gonna be 5. It's only 4, right? I mean, the scissors over here. Yeah, it's only 4. I thought it was gonna be like, wait, 1, 2. There's no way. It'd be crazy if I get like the ones that I need. But is that it? Yeah, that's it. Oh my God! Let's see if we can find more. I think to do one from the back, other ones from the front. Do one from the back. Let's see what we get. The Phantom Knights of Silent Boots. Okay. Oh, this one's a gold one. Magical Dimension. Okay. Oh, another gold one. The Weather Painters. No. It's a regular one. Brand Kids Bobo. Let me see if I can do it again. Ooh! No. Sci-Frame Driver. The Weather Painter Thunder. Let me turn these cards around. I'm very OCD, guys. I'm like, nope. This is a shiny one, I believe. No. Okay. No luck right here. At least we got 2 parts down, though. I wonder if I can just buy them online. It'll be hard to get like more boxes, you know, and gotta go from there. Alright. Last wrap. Lost World, Invocation. This is a gold one. Broken Line. Justice. Ooh, what's this one? Oh my God. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 stars. Yo, you can see the reflection on it too. That is crazy. Is that a good find? Is that a bad find? Let me know, guys. If we may know in the comments down below. What is this one? 5 level 13 monster. This card is special summoned by the effect of numerous. It gains 100,000 attack and defense during your opponent's turn. Also apply to the following effects from the start of the next turn after this card was special summoned. Monsters your opponent controls must attack this card if available at the end of your opponent's turn. Is this card did not battle, you win the duel. Oh my God! At the end of your opponent's turn, if this card did not battle, you win the duel. When the opponent monster declares an attack, you can detach 1 material from the card. Negative to attack. If you do, gain life points equal to the monster's attack. That is insane. So this card is like kind of like the Exodia one here. That is insane. Hot Red Dragon. But this one's like really nice. Wow. It's like rarefying. Should we look it up online, guys? See what's up. Let's see how much this one goes for. Let me get my phone. I mean, it looks kind of rare, right? Let's see. I guess we're gonna go with the gold edition, right? Number. I'm sorry. Let's put it down here. Let's see. It's not this one. It's this one over here. So it's eBay is selling it for $30. So obviously, I gotta see the price. $10. So there's 10, $8. You know, obviously, I gotta go on Actually, the other one that I got here. Let's see, one of them is graded, but it's different one. So this was kind of cool, but let's see. Yeah, around 30 bucks. So that's a good find though. I mean, this definitely pays for the pack. Definitely a keeper, that's for sure. Not for selling. Anywho's, guys, that is it for today's video, guys. We opened all the wraps, all the packs. I gotta clean up over here, guys. As you guys know, I hit the gym too, so I got to hit the gym. If you guys enjoyed this series, guys, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, guys. We got a lot of Pokemon ones coming up next. So we're gonna go ahead and pretty much organize all the Yu-Gi-Oh ones. And see if we can start the Pokemon right away. And pretty much, hey, I mean, I'm in search for Exodia now. Now I got 2 of them, 2 or 3 actually, three of the main ones. Now we got the main, the head over here, the left leg, this side, and the right arm. So you know what I mean. We're 3 out of 2. Can we find them? I don't know, but I guess we'll see. Anyways, guys, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I can't stop. I don't even know they're worth that much, you know. But even if they are or not, I'm still planning on keeping them. They're really cool. Anyways, guys, let's get the binder organized and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Till next time.